Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show how to check your computer's CPU temperature in Windows 10. If your computer has inbuilt CPU performance tool to check the temperature, then you don't need to go through these steps. If you have a fairly old laptop with no such inbuilt function, then go to alcpu.com/coretemp. Now click on the download link at the top of the page. After the download is completed, click on the file and install it. You can now view the CPU temperature in the taskbar. For detailed information, open the Core Temp app where you can see the frequency of the CPU, model number, power usage and temperature of each cores. This is how you can monitor the CPU temperature in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.